In the early hours of March 9, 2025, the world witnessed a dramatic escalation in modern warfare. Operation Rising Lion was launched as a precision strike campaign that showcased the latest generation of missile technology. What made it unforgettable wasn't just the impact, it was the way the missiles operated, coordinated, and outmaneuvered nearly every existing defense system. The missiles used in Operation Rising Lion weren't just faster, they were smarter. We're talking about the LQ-90 Valkyrie and the Shadow Fang Mk4. These weren't ordinary projectiles, they were hypersonic, eye-guided systems capable of making real-time adjustments mid-flight, traveling at over Mach 7. The Valkyries didn't just evade radar, they ghosted through layers of electronic interference like it wasn't even there. And the Shadow Fangs, those were stealth cruise hybrids, built with heat-dispersing skins and low-signature emissions. You could be looking right at one and still not see it on the most advanced sensors. Operation Rising Lion was primarily aimed at crippling key infrastructure hubs, communications towers, drone manufacturing centers, and hardened underground bunkers. But here's the twist. The operation wasn't just about firepower, it was a psychological game. Many of the missiles deployed were decoy logic missiles launching in clusters, splitting into false targets and warheads midair, confusing missile defense systems into targeting the wrong ones. By the time any interception was attempted, the real payload had already hit its mark. The coordination was equally jaw-dropping. Hundreds of missile launches were synchronized by quantum-linked battlefield I, codenamed Helios Protocol. Helios didn't just coordinate out, it predicted enemy response times, adjusted trajectories, and retasked drones and support systems in real time. The result, a 93% target success rate in under 6 minutes. That level of precision has never been seen before in any modern operation. The geopolitical shockwaves were immediate. Several defense analysts now refer to Operation Rising Lion as the moment traditional missile defense became obsolete. Iron Dome variants, S-500 systems, even the new Sky Aegis screen today all struggled, not because they were weak, but because the enemy had changed the rules entirely. And let's not forget the human side. For the first time, autonomous decision-making was authorized during live strikes. The AI chose secondary and tertiary targets without human intervention. It was controversial, it was dangerous, but it worked. The line between man and machine is getting thinner. And 2025 proved that the battlefield is no longer just stealing soldiers up, it's data, code, and ruthless efficiency. As Operation Rising Lion concluded, military experts around the world began asking the same question: what comes next? If this is the future of warfare, are we ready for a battlefield where milliseconds decide victory and defeat? Stay tuned, legends, because in the age of algorithmic warfare, the next big shift may not come from a general's orders but from the silent pulse of a machine.